So you can see right now, this is pretty exciting. They are going to install the beams that we signed a few weeks back. So that is the beam that all the students and staff signed. And we have many of our students watching that now, so they can witness that the actual beam that we signed is being a part of our new addition, which is so exciting to see. Do you guys see the signatures? Look at all the names on that. Do you see your name? All right. What do you think? Should we cheer them on? All right, this is the second beam going up with all our signatures. So if you remember, we had 2 beams that everybody signed. Okay, this is also Friday, September 23rd, and it's been a while since I've showed you what used to be our specials hallway and front lobby area. So I'm gonna show you that a little bit. This is Miss Bellamy's office, which is now basically an area for all our different construction crews to have the floor plans. This was our music room and art room, which is now one large room. So again, there's a lot of things that are happening that aren't always visible to the rest of us that go underneath the ground and behind the scenes before they actually, or before the rest of us actually see a structured building. So, good morning. What's your name?
Jacob.
Hi, this is Jacob. Jacob, what field are you in?
I'm an electrician.
Okay.
Yep.
You got a second to tell us a little bit about what you do?
I'm an electrical apprentice. Been doing this for 3 years. Just started this job. Looking forward to it.
Awesome. Thanks, Jake. Nice meeting you.
Have a good day.
You too. This area here would be where our PE, Mr. Wise's office was, and other storage areas.
But Kyle's in there. You see the
Excuse me.
next in line?
Yeah. Yep.
Still walking down our specials hallway. Remember I showed you that we had about a 50-foot hole in our ceiling for them to start doing the mechanical penthouse? Well, now you can see we've got some steel up there. Some new support beam structures. So this is part of a little roof covering. Going to keep walking down our specials hallway. For students, you'll recall those were our PE doors in the past. This area right here on our right is what used to be our boys' restroom. You can see some metal frames for doorways for the future. Oh, I take that back. That was the girls' restroom. I'm sorry. This is the boys' restroom on this side. So this used to be our front lobby boys' restroom. You could see a shot through that area was the art and music rooms. So we're coming through now, and this is what was our previous front lobby. Do you like what they've done with the place? Little humor there. So, as I'm walking, you're gonna see this area was our office. Believe it or not, this area is supposed to be done by the starting next school year. So this is the other half of our hallways. Everybody who's traveled in our building, this wooden hallway to the right separates our students and staff from the construction site. So I'm on the opposite side of that. And this used to be Nurse Jody's office. Our conference room, where you can see the little whiteboard. And of course then Ms. Buckle's office and where Mrs. Wasserott and Mrs. Gilson used to be. And then as I progress this way, this is still not much action in this room. This was Mrs. Dill's classroom. And again, eventually this wall right here will be coming down. Hey, check out this cool device. It is concrete. So that is a wet saw cutting through the concrete. All right, we're still on September 23rd. Previous videos showed you the inside of what used to be our office area and front lobby. Now from the outside, I believe you've seen this structure before, which is going to be our mechanical penthouse. And you can see they are moving along and getting ready for our new gym structure, our building. So this whole area here, all the white area that you're seeing, It's kind of the outline of what our new gym is going to be. You'll also see in our next, or this newsletter, that I took a picture of Mr. Wise in front of what will be his new gym, and he was pretty excited about watching the progress on that.